Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zeb-Ultimate Pro web camera from Zebronics. You can see what the camera is supposed to look like from the photo on top. There's some information over here, like this particular webcam comes with USB interface. It has a built-in mic, night vision, 5-pixel lens and full HD video recording capabilities. Some manufacturer information over here, and yeah, there we have some more information. The image sensor is CMOS, lens is 5-pixel, video resolution as mentioned earlier is 1920 by 1080, that's full HD but at 30 fps. Cable length is 1.58 meters and net weight is 90 grams. Let's open this box and take a look at the camera itself. So this is it. This is what you get inside the box. This is the web camera. It can swivel full 360 degree, as you can see, so you can get a pretty big perspective if you choose to be. Also comes with this huge clamp, which means you can attach it to almost any surface if you find the right angle. And this is the 1.58 meter USB-A cable. It's pretty 1.58 meter being quite long. Okay, so this is the power button. The lights are now on. Okay, that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zeb-Ultimate Pro web camera from Zebronics. Thank you for watching.